All right, here goes the lesson on In My Life by the Beatles. So we're going to start it with this little riff. Okay, so this is part of an A chord. We got the two middle strings, third string and second string on the twos, barring those twos. And we want our pinky to reach way down here on this fifth fret of the small string. And then we're going to have 2 to 3 on the second string, like hammer on. And then little string, open, and 4. And the 2 on the bass there, double hits. So we got. That's your intro riff. That's going to happen twice. And then we get into the verse. We're going to have A for 2 beats to E, F sharp minor, which is 4 on top with the 2s. And then we have an A7, kind of quick hit on that A7. So this A7, you could do 2-0, 2-0, or you could do all these 2s with a 3 on the bottom. That one seems to sound kind of good for this. So A to E, F sharp minor, and a kind of a pickup anticipated hit on that A7. The D, D minor, A for 4 beats there. And then that's going to start again, A to E, F sharp minor, A7, D to D minor, to A, twice as long. Okay, so let's do all that again. So we'll count you in nice and slow. A to E, and then F sharp minor. You know, if you have trouble getting that 4 up there, just hit those 2s and they'll sound good. And try to not hit the big one. And then A7, like I say, you could do a regular A, or you could do this 2-0, 2-0. That's a little easier. 2-0, 2-3 is another option. But you could also do that barred one there. So let's try that. So we got A to E, F sharp minor to A7. Let's try that part. 3, 4, A to the E, F sharp minor, A7. Let's try it again. 3, 4. And then we're going to do the D to the D minor to the A twice as long. 3, 4. Let's try that second half again. D, D minor, A twice as long. 3, 4. Okay, so let's walk through that whole, all the 8 chords of that. 3, 4. Okay, so that's the verse. Now we're going to go to the chorus. We're going to have twice as long, 4 whole beats on this F sharp minor to D, and then G to A, back to F sharp minor. Now we're going to go to B this time. And then we're going to D minor 7, which is open 2, 1, 1. Back to A. So once again, the chorus was F sharp minor to D, 4 beats each, and then G to A, F sharp minor, B major, D minor 7. Might just hold that one out for kind of effect. He says, you know, my life loved you more. So we're going back to the riff here. We just do it once that time. So kind of, my life, I loved you, and then back to riff. Now we're in the next verse. Chorus. D, G to A, F sharp minor to B. We're going to going to go straight into an instrumental verse here after that one. So once we hit that D minor 7, instrumental solo spot. Then we got chorus. You can put a little spice in these chords if you want. Now at the end, it's going to go. You're going to have that extra D minor 7 where he says, "In my life, I loved you more." And then we're going to have this riff. And then we're going to have. So at the end there, we have that little riff. And then instead of going boom, boom, it's going to hit this E7 chord. 2, 4, 3, 4. And you can hit all of those. And then on the bottom string, you're going to go down. You can lift this out so you go to the 2 and back. So it's like 4, 2, 4 on the bottom one, and then A, where you do all these 2s and get a 5 on the bottom. So once again, at the beginning of the song, we got this riff twice. And our verse is A, E, F sharp minor, A7, little pickup on the A7, D, D minor, A. So. And that goes twice, and that's a verse. And then the chorus was F sharp minor, 4 whole beats to D, G to A, and then F sharp minor to B this time, D minor 7, kind of hold that one out, and then we got riff 1 time, and you're back into a verse and chorus, and then after that chorus, it's going to go right into that instrumental over the verse changes again. And then we got the chorus again. We got this little riff, and then it's going to go in my, do that one again, and then your last riff, and you could go, and then you do your riff. So let's look at that again. Boom, boom, and then switch to this E7, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4 on the bottom to A. All right, In My Life, John Lennon Beatles tune. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We shall see you soon.